Hey guys, I got a very small little box here. I got this from the Novel Crown. She is a YouTuber. She was selling these little sanitizer kits. And I think it also has sunscreen in it. I came across her a video because she was revealing a purse. It was the Disney Minnie Mouse Kate Spade purse, which I immediately ordered when I saw hers. And then she was saying that these kits, she had them for a while, and so some of them, the water had evaporated in it, and so she was selling them for $1 just to get rid of them. So I picked up a couple of them. Really cute. Look at the packaging. Super cute. Alright, so I bought 2 of them, and then this, I forgot what this is. This was regular price, but I want to say it was like $3. So, this was really cheap. So, let's see. Ooh. Okay. So, it's kind of like a Swiss Army knife type of thing. You got a nail file, a nail clipper. You got nail file here. Neat. And then we have tweezers and the little scoop. I don't know what you actually call that, but it is a manicure set that takes up very little room. So now if I can just remember how I got this out of here. Okay, this must go here, and this, whoops, let's see, where did I have this? Anyway, I think that went there. Oh, okay, that's magnetized. Okay, and then that, I think, went here. But it's kind of neat, huh? And then it all tucks back in there. And then you have it as a keychain. Cute, right? All right, and then, so, I don't know how she's selling these. I mean, even the regular price, she's only selling them for $5. I thought that that's a pretty good deal. So you got sunscreen in here, you got hand sanitizer, insect repellent, insect bite relief spray, and then an after sun spray. I don't know what is that for sunburns? I won't need that. I've never burned in my life. But the rest of these I can use. But I assume that's for sunburns. I don't know. Okay. And that's her information there. And so the other one is exactly the same. She said that since it wasn't full, she noticed that she was losing fluid from evaporation, I guess. She marked them down to $1. And so I got 2 of them. And look at the cute packaging. She spent more on packaging than she made here. But really, really cute. All right. So that's all I had to share. What do y'all think? I'll talk to you later. Bye.